Welcome back everyone. This is Shortcut Taslim Afroz, lecturer, Department of English. In today's online class, I am going to talk about prefix and suffix that are commonly used for word formation. Okay, my dear students, before I start, I think it's very important to mention that what are the benefits of these topics. By knowing the topics, you will be able to enrich your words. That means by knowing the common meaning of prefix and suffix, it can help you understand unknown words in English you can across. At the same time, you become better at spelling words. Like this, there are lots of benefits of these topics. I hope, my dear student, you understood. Okay, my dear students, now I want to show you what I meant word formation. I already mentioned this word. I have already mentioned this word, word formation. Now I want to show you what I meant by this word formation. Here I have already written this. The word formation, that means word formation is the process. It's the process by which new words are formed. So if you want to form a new word, in that case you need a root word. And suppose it's your root word, and if you want to form a new words, in that case you can use some syllable before the main words or after the words. Okay, so from this way we can find two ways of word formation. One is prefix and next one is suffix. Dear students, I know you have enough idea about syllable, because syllable plays a very important role when I'm going to describe this prefix. So, prefix. A prefix is a syllable added the beginning of a word to form a new word. Okay, I repeat it, dear students. A prefix is a syllable added to the beginning of a word to form a new word. On the other hand, if I say suffix, a suffix is a syllable added to the end of the word. So we are finding here two ways. One is prefix and next one is suffix. My dear students, I will start by prefix. There are lots of prefix in English grammar, but within this short moment, it's not possible for me to show you all the prefix, but I tried my best to show you the prefixes I mentioned here. I have written the prefix, the meaning and the example. After that, I wrote here more prefixes. I hope it will help you. Now, for example, as earlier I said, it is used before a root word. You can see prefix. First one for you students: none, un, im, in, il, ir. This 6, though there are many. I mentioned only 6. This 6 means not or opposite. If you want to mean something opposite, in that case you can use this syllable. And here is the example. Here is example for you. First one is nonsense. I used here non and sense. My root word was sense and I used non. So my new word is nonsense. After that, my root word was happy. I have added here un. That means unhappy, new word. Similarly, I want to show you re. That means again or back. So if this, suppose my root word was visit and I use prefix re, so that means revisit, again or back. Play, if suppose it was play and I used here re, so replay. The next one, miss. Okay, wrongly or not. My root word was understand. I use here prefix miss. Misunderstand. Next one, D. D, that means reverse something or remove something. That means reverse something or D, reverse, remove, that means destruction. Next one, co, con or com. You can, that means with or together. Here is example, construct and computer. Next one, this D, that means separation and disease. Okay, dear students, I already told you that though in English grammar there are lots of prefix, but I have time limitation. That's why it's not possible for me to show you all the things. That's why I wrote here more prefixes. A, L, NT, B, post, pre, pro, sub, semi, extra, out, over, under, ex, and etc. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood prefix. Now it's about suffix. Now let's stop. Now let's turn to suffix. I already told you the definition, but I repeat it again for you, the students. A suffix is a syllable. Again, I am telling you, a suffix is a syllable added to the end of a word to form a new word. That means you need a root word as well. Though earlier I show you prefix, now I will show you suffix. Okay, here I already told you. Similarly, prefix and suffix, there are lots of syllable, but for time limitation I'm not able to show you all the things, but I tried my best. I wrote here some syllable. The syllables are, first one, suffix er or. That means one, ho, or, showing a comparison. Here is an example, teacher or faster. Next one for you, able or LBLE. That means capable of being. Example, unforgettable. Next one, D or ED, forming the past. D and ED specially used for forming the past. Here example, added and loved. Next one, ING. It's basically used for forming a gerund. I hope enough idea about gerund, verb plus ing. So forming a gerund, here is example, meaning. Next one, meant. Meant, state or result of an action. Any kind of action. If you want to say action, in that case you can use meant after the root words. Appoint, and after that I used here meant. So my root word was appoint, then I used here meant, appointment. Next one, IVE, having the quality of. That means here IV means having the quality of something. Example, creative. That was create, and I added here T, IVE. So my root word was create. I include here, added here IVE. So my new word is creative. Here are lots of information for you. More suffix, and the suffix are CE, CY, AGE, L, ends, in, ce, dome, hood, ent, ion, sion, ssion, y, cy, ism, st, tist, ity, ty, ness, ship, is, us, is, and so. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood the topics prefix and suffix very well. If you have any confusion, please ask your subject teacher.